Hello, everyone. Thank you for waiting a few extra minutes. Welcome to our webinar this morning. Thank you for joining. This webinar is about modern strategies for practical time saving. I'm Ed Jarvis with Schneider Electric, your host for today's event. Before we begin, a few words about using this webinar tool. This platform lets our audience be more involved with the presentation and, more importantly, lets you watch this event the way you want to. So to begin, feel free to customize your webcast console. You can move windows around by dragging the title bar or resize them. We recommend clicking the button in the title bar of the slides widget to go full screen. So you'll see a toolbar at the bottom of your console. These buttons let you open and close widgets on the screen, and there will be a question and answer session at the end of this presentation. You can submit any questions in advance via the Q&A button located at the bottom of your console. If at any time you do experience any difficulties with the audio or the advancing of the slides, just press your F5 key and refresh the page. So now let's get to it. So this webinar is dedicated to panel builders. We know you face challenges in daily operations with budget constraints, price constraints, time constraints, and challenges around manufacturing efficiency and international coverage. So we're here today to share ideas with you about how you might better manage business and face your competition. So I am joined today by Leandro Costa and Michael Sagnier. Michael leads marketing for protection relays, and Leandro does the same for circuit breakers. Their teams put together the latest solutions for panel builders. They make sure that our technologies work best for you guys. These guys are the Schneider experts who understand the complexity of the panel builder business and know how to improve it. So today we're going to talk about how to do that. So now to the agenda. So first we're going to talk about selection and then quotation and delivery, followed by customization, then installation, commissioning, and testing, and handover and support. So with that, I will hand it over to Leandro and Michael. Guys, take it away.
Thank you, Ed. Hello, everyone. Michael Sagnier speaking. So I'm going to start with a quick introduction before going into the topics of today's webinar regarding what is, I would say, our solution in medium voltage installation for your circuit breakers, your panels. Today we are going to take two examples of two new offers that we have launched over the past months that makes the step forward in terms of bringing simplicity, efficiency, and time saving in your daily operations. So if we take the design of the switchgear, the circuit breaker that you design in your own panels, the protection relay, the circuit breaker, and the sensor, key elements gathering data, let's say, measurements from the lines, measuring and analyzing the signal in order to send the signal to trip to the circuit breaker that then will act in order to protect your line, your transformer, your motor, your generator at the end. So the two new offers that we are going to present today is the new protection relay Easergy P3 and the new circuit breaker EasyPack XZ. So I'm going to start by giving you a quick introduction of what is Easergy P3. Easergy P3 is a new range of protection relay designed for greater efficiency. This is really the intent of this range, that is bringing a complete set of innovations and digital tools in order to reduce your time of operations and ease your daily life as a panel builder. So Easergy P3 is a complete range of protection covering the different applications of the medium voltage scope, from feeder to transformer to motor to generator and line differential protections, with two platforms, Easergy P3 for standard application and a larger relay for the advanced applications. With its complete digital ecosystem made of a set of digital tools as a smartphone application and tablet application to control the relay, as its setting software eSetup Easergy Pro, and as its embedded web HMI, the Easergy P3 is really bringing more in terms of digital and, by the way, of efficiency for your end users, for your customers, and as well for you in your operations. So four key pillars. First of all, the relay is based on a very strong quality and test with more than 50 tests performed in the relay. So we deliver at Schneider Electric the best-in-class solutions in terms of quality and reliability. Second point, EtherGP3 makes a change in terms of way that you can save time installing, commissioning, and delivering the panel to your customers with as simple as 5 minutes to configure and commission the relay for an overcurrent protection. So it really drastically reduces the time of commissioning. Third, 9 communication protocols embedded, including Ethernet communication. That's also let's say the reason to live for this EtherGP3 is to bring the latest communication protocols to the market and the latest solutions to you. And then more than 40 protection functions embedded that make this platform absolutely complete in terms of scope of application. So Leandro, can you present us the EasyPact XZ range as well?
Yes, of course. Thank you, Michael. Good morning, good afternoon, everybody. Let's talk about the EasyPact XZ. What is the complementary launching that Schneider is launching in the market? At first, we're going to talk, before going into details of EasyPact XZ, on the digital ecosystem. We all know that every time it's much more and more relating to digital story, and Schneider is bringing to you a set of applications where you can ease your life and time saving with that. First of them is the My Schneider application, where you can have very detailed information concerning the delivery time, prices, references for your products, not only for circuit breakers and relay, but also for other ranges of products that Schneider can do. Second point, we're going to talk about EcoHel MV, which is a configuration tool where you can have the right bill of material for your selection according to your project requirements. Third point, we have a very nice software which is called eCatalog 3D. With that, we can ensure that we will have a 3D experience, very nice to check the details, the internal details of the circuit breaker, the overall dimensions, whole documents that you can find about this offer. It's possible for you to get access also to the documents related to the offer. You have catalog, manuals, drawings, electrical diagram, and so on. The main benefits that we can have by using EasyPact XZ concerning the time saving, we can highlight the flexibility, which we're going to talk just later, which is related to a new way of doing business for medium voltage circuit breaker never seen before. The simplicity that we are having with the very simple process of ordering online without necessary to get in touch with any Schneider Electric people during the whole process. Concerning safety, we all know that safety is mandatory for all products, but concerning this point, Schneider is very, very worried about it, and we are bringing to you an additional safety in our circuit breaker by a robust interlock system developed especially for safety on the end users, and also the possibility for using it and a remote hack-in and hack-out operation, bringing to you and to the end users a higher safety by operating it. At the end, all those points we can highlight here as a fast, which is the whole process and also the availability of this offer, which can reach up to 5 working days for delivery time. Now we're going to talk about the way we can select the product. I invite you to check this video, which is the content that you find in the internet, the Schneider Electric internet. So first you go in the search page, you can type EasyPact XZ, and then you get access to the product range. On the left, it's possible for you to start filtering by the nominal voltage, short circuit current, and also nominal current. On the right, you can have the selection of your files and add for comparison. After 2 selected products, you can go to the comparison values and to see the difference between both products. And there you can sort the difference to check which is the different value before selecting your product. After sorting it, it's shown in the top of the page, and you can see the difference between both. After that, it's simply to add you to your favorite lists, and the circuit breaker will be there. You can get back to add additional accessories like open coil, closed coils, motors, and so on. We're going to select here the open coil and add to favorite list, and then we're going to move on to gear motor and select the desired voltage for that. And we can also add to your favorite list. After selecting all the accessories, you go to My Favorite page. You will get access to the components you have selected, being possible to change the amount that you want. You can just type the quantity that you're having. And also, it's possible to export this list by Excel and PDF file and to have access to the full data sheet of the product. Here you have the complete information on the product selected in a very, very simple way. So mainly what we can have here is the information on the catalog, the filtering for the information, a clear documents available online, and the real-time updated information. As well, you can also compare between both products, two similar products, the information that you want. And also, as I mentioned before, the eCatalog 3D tool, where it's possible for you to get additional information on the components. Michael, please tell me about the ordering and quotation tool.
Excellent. Thank you, Leandro. So first of all, and to jump on what you just said, I would emphasize that it's the same for Exergy P3 protection relays as well. So as a panel builder, you can select your entire components from the website and compare it. And as you saw, downloading the right documents at the right time for you. So if I continue the story regarding quotation and delivery, first of all, regarding the configuration, because you as a panel builder sometimes face the issue to find the right product for your panels in order to build your solutions according to the right levels of, let's say, quality and standard with our products. So from that, we have prepared and developed a specific tool called EcoReal MV, that is a web configurator for the entire panel that gives you access to a quick online configuration for the main elements of your panel, with a real-time view on the price and availability in terms of delivery dates. That are the two critical aspects that we know that are important for you. That gives you also the detailed list in terms of quotation in order to have the full bill of material of your panel to manage your purchasing and to manage your ordering at the end. So this is really a tool that makes your life easier. And to go faster, because a video will replace many words, I will show you a quick video in your media player in the webinar. thank you. I hope you have discovered interesting ways to configure your panels here using ENVI. Next step, so let's imagine we follow, as you understood, the product life cycle and your project also life cycle. After having configured the product and the panels, you will want to order it, and you will need to order it. And here I spoke about shortened delivery time. At Schneider, we strongly believe that a shorter delivery time will help you to save a considerable and let's say an important amount of financial let's say benefits in the way that you will save stock at your place, because we support it from the supply chain point of view with our own level of stock in different areas in the world. We are able to deliver you in 5 days, or from 5 days for sure, depending on the country that we deliver at the end. But these 5 days are a commitment that we take for the product that we store in our stocks. So this is really a major aspect that will bring to you flexibility in case you have to manage a last change from the customer in terms of specification. And as I said, that will help you to reduce your costs to manage the same business as of today. So it's really a key benefit, a key value of working with us. As we have an international coverage, we can support you in international projects, in your international operations, with a complete set of stocks around the world with a short delivery time in many countries. So now, Leandro, can you talk about the next steps, means the way that our panel builders customize their product, and especially EasyPact XZ?
Yes, sure. Thank you, Michael. So moving to the customization process, I would like to show you something very different from the existing business model for circuit breakers. Schneider is bringing to you a new way of dealing with, and we propose a kit business model, which means that Schneider is bringing to you more added value, panel builder, and you can receive it as a kit. You receive the basic function of the circuit breaker, hack controller, arms, clusters, all accessories according to the project needs, and then you can do it, the customization part, by yourself, bringing to you very nice flexibility and avoiding some issues that we usually face to do. So what if some changes in the last minutes of your product happen? In the normal use, you need to get the circuit breaker back to the factory, change everything according to the customer specification, and after take the circuit breaker back. And it means time and at the end money. So with that, we ensure that we can have it in a very simple way and to change it accordingly if need during the process of the project. By doing that, you also will be able to perform routine tests by yourself within the response of Schneider Electric, and in a very simple way of customization, you can do it in the circuit breaker. In order to show you how easy it is, I invite you to check the video of the customization part, which show you the configuration, the customization since the beginning. Let's check. Okay, now you see how easy it is to customize your circuit breaker by assembling the several kind of applications and accessories that you can have available for the offer. Since open and closed coil as basic accessories up to the most complex ones, you will see that it's very, very quick and fast to install it. In the same way, I invite you, Michael, to discuss about installation, commissioning, and testing, please.
Yeah, thank you. And especially here regarding the example of EasyRG P3 protection relay, because it's also a critical part of your process, so that you install your circuit breakers in the cubicle, and then you have to configure, to install first, and then configure the protection relay in the panel. And here, with EasyRG P3, we propose you to go in a way that is easier for you and simpler. First of all, at the installation phase, with a fully detachable protection relay, it means all the connectors of the product are 100% detachable, so that you can, for example, start with the installation of the connection in the low voltage cabinet, your relay separately and test it separately, and at the end of the process, join together the panel and the relay, so the circuit breaker and the relay, connecting each connector to the backside of the product. And here, especially the CTs and VT inputs are short-circuited, so that you can work also safely in the installation of the relay. Second point, the commissioning. So this is most of the time a critical time of your process, because here starts first of all to use the software. Here there are some risks of mistakes at the configuration. It may take time if the configuration is not mastered by your teams. So what we have done is to deliver a simple way to configure with EasyRG Pro setting software. So this is our new setting software for EasyRG ranges, starting with EasyRG P3. That is a free of charge setting software, easy to download and to install, as it's as simple as a .exe document in the laptop, so any kind of computer can open it and deal with it. And that is, by the way, very interesting in order to share it by email or directly from cloud. The setting software is using many graphical representations for the protection matrix, the logic configuration, the mimic screen, so the single line diagrams screen. So the software really allows you to deal with it in a simple way, even managing complex configurations, as it's an advanced product. And it gives you flexibility, being available online and offline in order to configure your relay, either being in front of it connected with your laptop, or making your configuration separately, and then at the end of the process or directly in the customer site to implement the configuration in the relay. As well, in terms of commissioning, the simple configuration, as I said at the beginning, it means the one that you usually do when you build your panel, basically making a configuration of the overcurrent protection with 2 stages based on the CT ratio at primary and secondary, so going too much into detail. With EasyRG P3, you can do it in less than 5 minutes. So it is really a great way to reduce your time of commissioning on site, and by the way, avoid mistakes at the configuration. And then last point that is really an innovation here and is really bringing value, as it's really unique for EasyRG Pro, is the possibility to virtually inject current, voltage, frequency, and harmonics typically in the relay at the end of the configuration or at any time of the configuration in order to test your settings. So then, and here it's really answering a pain point that we see very often, that at the end of the configuration, the relay embeds some mistakes at the configuration stage that will maybe bring some intempestive trips to the end user. And this is, I think you will recognize it as being really a nightmare to manage, as its energy is so critical, especially in medium voltage. It may cause some important, let's say, consequences. So by testing at every step of the configuration, injecting current voltage in the relay, you really step up to a new possibility to make sure that the configuration is correct at every step. So I'm going to use a quick video as well here to show you in concrete way how it works. So here you see the eSetup EasyRG Pro software that I'm opening in the browser, in the computer. It opens, as you saw, in 2 seconds. Then, first of all, I have to connect to the relay. So I search for the device, I discover it, I connect. I have 3 levels of access, so I click on the configuration access that gives me a full access to the settings. And then I'm in. So you see how it's easy and fast to connect the relay. Then you see on the right side, I open virtual injection that I enable. I first set the scaling, so it means the level of current that basically my line is going to support. Then I set my measurements values. So you can here directly define the value of current voltages in each line that you are going to inject in the relay from the software. You can also manage the frequency. You can also include some harmonics, stage 2, 5, for example, and then see it in a graphical way as well in order just to have a nicer view on the testing. Then you define the number of cycles that will directly set a time of testing. You start it, you see the time running, and in this time the relay will behave exactly as if you inject in the primary inputs of the product. So that directly it's replacing actually your testing bench in your panel. So it's really a great way to save time, to go faster, to replace some test procedures, and to secure the configuration at multiple levels along the process in order to avoid mistakes. So our customers love it. So this is why we believe it's important for you to really understand this feature, and I'm sure you will also appreciate it. So I hand over to you, Leandro, for the last point, the support, handover and support topic. If you can present us what we do at Schneider in order to help our customers on that.
Yes, sure. Thank you, Michael. Moving on the support and handover, it's a really important point. It's that we are bringing with the benefits already shown a set of documents and easy access. This is mainly related to our end users, and you can take advantage as panel builder of it by using this tool also for your daily activities. I'm going to show you how. In my Schneider application, you have access to the documents, so the routing test, the certification of compliance to the standards, you can have directly access of those documents. And also, an important point, we have a secured cloud-based storage called the Safe Repository. In this point, we all know how complex it is for an end user to find an electrical diagram, a manual, and information about the product they bought. And in this part, I'm sure that you and help our end users, because all Schneider products, and especially the EasyPack TXZ and also the EasyRG P3, we have a QR code in front of it where you can flash it and access directly to the Safe Repository. In this point, what is the added value that we are bringing? Is that the circuit breaker you are assembling into your switchgear, it's possible also to upload in this platform your electrical diagram of the switchboard, which will help you a lot and help your customer to get easy access to an information concerning the product and the environment that it's installed. This is the main benefits we are bringing with EasyPack, a part of everything we already shown you. And also, just to highlight, we can also have an overview of the target applications of this offer, which is more related to commercial building, industrial plants, and also power grid substations. This is the 3 main segments and markets we are aiming with both offers. Of course, it's applicable for other offers, other applications, but we can have it in these main target segments.
Leandro, can I ask also, because here it's really interesting and I think it's really bringing value for our partners, but as well for the end users. And I want to emphasize that this is something that we are deploying across our ranges, for sure in EasyPact XZ, but as well in all our products. So
Yes.
that's the benefit, I think, of selecting Schneider as a supplier, is really to have a consistent experience across the ranges in medium voltage, but as well in low voltage.
Sure.
Leveraging the same tools, the same applications, the same processes, typically with the QR code reading, that gives access in few seconds to all the technical data of the product in the panel. It's really making a difference, and we are continuously innovating on that. So I would say, before going to the conclusion with you, Ed, just let's say, you have seen here an overview of what we can offer in terms of mainly tools and the way we can simplify your life in your operations. Then we really encourage you to in the next step, to discover more about our products, about EasyPact XZ, about EtherG P3, and about all our solutions in medium low voltage and low voltage that we can supply in order really to gain efficiency and profitability in your end business. That is for sure the major purpose. So Ed, up to you for the conclusion.
Okay, thanks a lot, guys. That was outstanding. Really appreciate that, Leandro and Michael. So let's, if I can, let's summarize the full time-saving story. So today you've got digital ways to make your life easier, right? You guys just went over a variety of things that panel builders can take advantage of. You've got fast online selection and ordering. You've got truly fixed delivery dates with EcoReal MV. You've got kits for last-minute customization and easy testing and installation software, and fast access to all kinds of helpful documentation with secure, dedicated cloud storage, right? So when you combine all of these things together, you can actually be more productive and spend your time in the best way possible. So with that, I think now it is time for the question and answer session. So as a reminder, if you would like to ask a question and you have not done so already, just use the Q&A feature on the widget bar at the bottom of your console. So throughout this presentation, we've been collecting questions that you have submitted. So let's get to some of those right now. Okay, so first question we've got is, and this is for you guys, is delivery guaranteed at 5 working days?
It's a critical question, right? For sure, the 5 working days is something I was sure it will attract, I would say, attention, but for sure, as I said, it depends on locations. We don't master the custom clearance issues and this kind of let's say, daily issues that happens in some countries. But what we do at Schneider is that we leverage our international coverage in more than 100 countries with local stocks in order to reduce the delivery time. So depending on your location, on your need, as you are our key partners and that really value this relationship, we will set up the stock according to your need. So we have already made some stocks, typically on EtherG. We have a stock in Europe, in Nordic countries, in Asia, in Singapore, and in South America. So it gives already a good coverage, but we can increase it anyway to even shorten the delivery time and bring you even more benefit on this. Great question, thank you.
Okay, thanks, Michael. Another question.
And by the way, I react on a comment live, actually. Thank you, Mr. Komarov from OC Power Solutions. In Australia, the delivery will be made for EtherG P3, and then we'll answer for EasyPact XZ from Singapore. So it's our hub here in Singapore that will deliver Australia in also around 1 week delivery time. So you can meet this delivery time for Australia. It's a flight delivery typically, so it's pretty fast. In EasyPact XZ, Leandro?
EasyPact, we have the same flow, but normally, due to the size of the circuit breaker, we used to take marine transportation, but it can depend on the project needs for sure, and we can optimize it up to 3 to 4 weeks. It's okay. It's a delivery time that we can expect it for the circuit breaker.
Okay, I hope it answered the question.
Thanks, guys. Another question that came in. You showed the selection of parts, and the question is that in the Schneider website?
Thank you, Ed. Thank you for the question. Yes, in fact, for the selection of parts, it's directly in the Schneider Electric website. I've shown you the EasyPact XZ range that you can find the accessories in a very easy way, but it's also applicable for other range of products. And there you can find also the EtherGP3 selection, and you can have the details on each accessory that you can select for the circuit breaker.
Okay, got it. That's clear. Another question coming in says, you have listed circuit breakers and relays. Are other MV components following the same process and policy?
Exactly, good question. Yes, actually, we are having the same strategy in order to make our offers more transactional in medium voltage, because it's few years ago was not part of our DNA. But as we are, I would say, as we value partnership as a priority one, we really work and believe that it will bring you value if you can order easier, be delivered faster, and deal with the product also in simpler way. So that's what we are doing for also other ranges, not only EasyPact XZ, EtherGP3, but typically other ranges of protection relays that you know, CPAM or for example. In also circuit breakers, we are also doing the same, let's say, short delivery and easier selection with EcoReal MV for other ranges of components. So this is really a strong aspect of our strategy that you will find across the different ranges, and also for sure in the low voltage ranges in Masterpact MTZ typically, that is using the same structure and design of supply chain and delivery and selection. So really a consistent way to order our products for all the electrical distribution panels.
Okay, thanks, Michael. Another question coming in. How can I get access to EcoReal MV quotations?
Good question. So to get access to EcoReal MV quotation 2, first we have a dedicated partner channel where you can get access to that. And a part of EcoReal MV, you can have also fresh information about the panel builder environment. It's a dedicated portal for partners. First, you need to go there, and also you're going to have a direct link to EcoReal MV where you can request access. Just later on the question and answer session, you have a summary of those websites, and you can go directly there and request access on it.
That's right. We'll give you guys those links later. So another question we have here. Someone is asking, does it cost more to use these tools, processes, and apps?
Yeah, the cost, the budget is always a key aspect. Huh? But actually, I would say the opposite. And we made actually use it ourselves because we are also an industrial company. So we know that, let's say, process is process, and the more you make your process fast and lean, the best the profitability is. So, and we apply exactly the same strategy actually for ourselves. So that's something that we strongly believe that using digital in the process brings value, and by the way, profitability. By the way, to better differentiate also your companies, your let's say positioning in your market against your competitors, other panel builders typically. So we really value this as being a strong aspect in terms of differentiation. When the product is based on standards that anyway must be installed, okay, it's a complex solution, we all know, But here, the digital can really bring value in the way it simplifies your operations for yourself, but also for your customers at the end. So it's across the entire, let's say, timeline of the project, from the installation in the panel to the use and the maintenance by the end user.
Okay, thanks, Mikael. The next question we have from the audience is, if I am using an older Schneider product today, what benefit is there for me to swap to the new ones?
Good question. In fact, I hope we shown you the value that you can have by doing things in a simple way, optimized to save time in our latest products. In fact, we work in partnership, so we will always be available to discuss such concerns on migration and so on, including the technical support to switch when needed. Just contact us, and we're going to start the discussion on changing and updating products and so on. You will see the benefits that you can have behind.
All right, thanks, Leandro. Another question is, where can I get the apps? Are they free? Are they free to download?
Yeah, for sure. They are free, available in Google Play and Apple Store. So typically the My Schneider application to enable the QR code reading and access to documents is free to download. The EasyRG app as well. So yes, they are free and available in the web. Thank you for the question.
Yeah, sure, thanks. So with that, that's all the questions we have for now. Thank you, everyone out there, for submitting those questions. We appreciate it. So now a reminder about where to go for more information. If you'd like more information for panel builders, you can see that first URL in red. If you'd like to learn more about signing up to become one of our partners, see that second link in blue. And if you want more information about the latest products for medium voltage, visit that third link on your screen now. And I think we can also put those links up in the chat. One more thing, if you'd like a copy of today's presentation, there's a PDF download available in the resource tab on your screen now. So again, please don't hesitate to get in touch. This is the contact information now on your screen for Mikael and Leandro, and I think we can put that in the chat too. Okay, so thank you, speakers. Thank you, Mikael and Leandro, for the presentation today, and thank you to our audience for joining today's webinar. We really appreciate your time, everyone, so have a great day. Thank you, and goodbye.